welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching PeteJCooper, the model builder, and we're going on with the New York fire truck, and it's gluing, and I've done that box already because we know what boxes, how the boxes work, and so I'm not doing those showing you those again. But with that, let's just get straight into this pack number 7, stages 44 to 49 to do. So let's get straight to the downsided camera. Stage number 44 is just that pack, and that's it. So in stage number 44 we get that. The next pack that we already done, 45, which is right there. I've made the inside, the tray or the shelf with the magnet in there, so that works fine. I put the doors on, I've put that little thing in, and I've got that together, and that's 45 done straight away. There we go, we've got that light in there. Next thing we do, take that one out, installing the rear stabilizer. We're putting that plate on. Yeah, that's good. Then we put that one over it. That will push it in, and we are putting 2 H screws in there. 2 H screws, putting that together from the back right there. There we go. Stabilizers are in. And that is the stairs done. We're going to put this one on there like so, but on every screw that we put in, they want us to put a drop of glue, and we are putting these screws in there. Okay, next up where we're going to put on is I find this really ridiculous that we have to glue this. I should have taken care of those screws. And not like this. So this, that, and that is for the next stage. That's 47 done, and we're going to 48, as I said. And we're starting with the indicator lights. Now be careful. These are very small parts. Okay. So that one's in there as well. I put those lights in. Sorry guys, I'm going quiet because I'm not happy with how this thing is going, and this is not becoming of Agora Models. I really, we've had so much good quality of the other builds that we have, like the Cobra and the Jaguar, and this one, I don't know what happened here. This one even, I've just put that one in, but if you look at it, it's just not fitting in properly. Yep. Then we put that one into the middle one here, like you see on that side. Then and this one we put that one with the stripe on the lower side. That is going in well. I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna do my utmost best to have it look really nice. We're gonna put that on right there, and we're putting 2 H screws in on this side, inside, on the inside side. Okay, then we've put that on with the 2 H screws right there and there, making sure they cover up all the way, and that is that. 48 done, and we're going to 49. We're not actually doing anything with this one yet, so we're going to put that into the box. So 49, we're not doing anything with that either, so we put that into the box as well. We're starting with lights on both sides. We're putting this beacon lights through, as they call it. Doing the same thing on the other side. And we're pushing it through the whole inside and pulling it through. Leaving that there. There we put those lights through on both sides. How in the name of... There's a big loop here, and we have to screw that one in somehow. Now, let's try this one as well. We've got those lights in. Okay. Oh God. 9 D screws. And this is again a point that I think it looks really nice. Then we've got those 2 lights to put on right here. That is in good. That is a relief. We've got both on both sides. We've got these boxes in, and we're going to put them on their head and put those wires, train those wires neatly. Yeah, well, I don't know what you want to call them. Clamps to keep them in. So the wires are neatly trained like that under those clamps. My goodness gracious me. Then we're going back to the other side. And we're putting 2 B screws and those points, I think. B. We're going to the other side again. Okay. K screws. Those two K screws are in there and there. Oh, you cannot see it. Sorry, guys. Two K screws right there and there. And we're getting the cabin. Okay, that point has to go right there. And that's an H screw. And that must be from a previous stage as well, because we've got no spares. So connected all the wires to the points that they are supposed to be connected to. Then we are going to put some batteries in there. Okay, that one works. Those are the lights. They work. And there's a... Okay, checked all the lights. All the lights are proper. The only thing I needed to do is swap the points for the indicators over, because I just put them in and never looked at it properly. Okay, lights are all checked, meaning stage, can't remember, stage is complete. 44 and 49 is complete, and the build is complete. So we've got a lot of little things left over again. Okay guys, let me show you again what all these lights. All the lights are on. Wow, that's loud. This wasn't an easy one, guys. Indicator on one side. Indicator on that side. And this side as well. So that indicator switch, or at least the switch that you use to get those indicators on, is a bit stupido. It comes loose quite easily. Wow, guys. Well, again, this is not the best model build I've ever done, because there are a lot of little things that should have been done so much better, and there was. Getting these cases on, or that stuff on, and just putting a very tiny screw in there that doesn't even screw in, and it's unbelievable that it could have been done so much better, because it's really a nice build. And electrics are working, as you just saw, but a lot of little things could have been done a lot better. I know there's a little bit money going to the fire department as well, but please guys, we really want quality. We're paying for quality, so give us that quality. that is what we have at the moment. It's looking great. So a lot of the doors are not closing properly or are closing too good, and you have to be careful with that one. But that is screwed in on at the bottom, and at the top there's a latch that's holding it. But if you're lifting it, it will open up and it may break. So be careful with that. For the rest of it, guys, take your time when you're doing this. Take your time and I'm up to 1 hour and 30 minutes now, because I think it's much longer than that. And I've had enough for today, so I'm going to stop. But thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining me and staying out all the way to the end, especially to you who's still here and watching. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and I do hope to see you next time on any of my other builds or anywhere in my builds. Please have a look at them. See you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.